Okay, it's Friday. The truck is almost ready. Not quite. Like I said, taking my time with it, realized it's not practical to try to do that thing in 4 days again. It was much more work than the other truck. So it's in here. All the doors and stuff are taped up, everything like that. Getting taped up, so I gotta do the back window and the sunroof. But we're getting there. I'll probably paint it tomorrow morning. This is Friday afternoon. Right now we got the beautiful, just so beautiful. Beautiful Vette behind us. We are washing it, going to a cool car show tonight. I'm gonna make sure I film some for you guys. I know I haven't been filming enough, so we're going there. I'm washing this, then going to pick up Maggie, then meeting Kyle and Garrett there. I think we'll probably all go do a cool dinner, and then after that, there's no telling. So let's go and wash the car, get it done, and go to the meet. Okay, it is Saturday, like after lunch now. Kyle's here helping me. We're way behind my original schedule Thursday, but like I was saying, it's not a big deal. Rather like do it right than not do it half like we're gonna do. It was Thursday because I've been rushed and everything, so we just thoroughly went through everything. Everything's good. All this is taped up. Kyle's helping me prep it real quick. I still gotta tape up the back bumper trim, and then that's it. Then we go stir the paint, make sure all the reducer and everything's good in that. Then after we get that done, we'll go ahead and start putting some base coat on, and then that goes down well, hopefully it does. Then we'll go to lay the clear coat, and then we'll be good. The only slight problem is the hood and the tailgate does not fit in there because I'm doing like the trim around the tailgate and inside the hood. So I have to paint those separate, which is fine. The mirrors, I just primed those. Those should be fine to go ahead and paint with the truck, so that's good. I just have to paint those two pieces separate, which is perfectly fine with me. It works. Just a little update, we're moving along, going from there. Everything's here, everything's basically taped up as far as it's gonna go, really. Kyle's over there prepping. Roof is done, this is all taped, covered. The only thing I do is tape off this. Yeah, so I mean, we are moving right along. This thing is taking way longer than I ever expected in my life. Okay, so Kyle's changing his oil. Rachel's helping him. Then he's gonna do springs. Then while they're doing that, I'm gonna do the truck. We are here, have everything in the booth. Everything is done. We're going to go ahead and put the paint in the gun. Me and Kyle doctored it up. It looks really, really good. I'm excited about that. So everything should go smoothly. I hope, cross my fingers. And this paint will lay down really nice, really smooth. And it's kind of hot outside. So hopefully everything will go good and we'll go from there. Okay, just got back from dinner. We had some sushi. Now we are back for the truck. Base coat is on. It's set when we were at dinner. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. You know, it's a deep dark blue. See the color a little bit. Just deep dark blue. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, color's on. It went down pretty good. Had to seal the truck and then we went over color. All that good stuff is done now. Do the hood and something else tomorrow, or a tailgate in the mirrors maybe tomorrow. So yeah, truck's good. Truck's done right now. We're gonna go ahead and mix some clear up. Then we're gonna go ahead and clear the truck, and I'm gonna call it a night. Kyle, are we lowering spring?
Yeah.
Kyle, what you got?
I hit my knee.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Is it still there? Yeah, it's still there.
Fucking hurt.
You sure?
No.
Did I get you at a bad time?
Yes. Burnouts in the lowered CTSV.
Yeah, Kyle's over here still putting a strut together. Or he's disassembling still.
Yeah, this is with the ticking time bomb part that scares everybody. Can you F off?
Beamer's
please?
such a good help.
Get out of here, man.
Such a good help.
Nice. Strike a pose. Freaking man. Alright, buddy. Take off.
Okay, it's about 11:20. I've been at this thing since 8 this morning, getting everything done, trying to make sure it was all right, ensuring it was all right, and then going through everything, just double checking myself, not rushing. And she's got clear. She's got 3 coats. She's got sealer. She's got base. She's got 3 coats of clear, and she looks fantastic. I'm really happy with it. Turned out a little bit better than expected in some areas, and a little bit so-so in other areas. I'll go through that once we get it out of the booth and get to look at it and everything, especially outside. The video just doesn't do this paint justice. Like me and Kyle, I don't know what we did, but it's freaking sick, and I'm happy with it. It looks awesome. So just a little glimpse behind me. Gosh. Doing? Oh my goodness, you're so cute. What are you doing, sweetie? This is how much paper we went through doing the truck. This is all 3M 600. All of it. More over here. Crazy amount of paper. All for that thing. Okay, what's up? We are tackling the interior trim on the Cummins. It is absolutely ugly. It is not even real wood, it's just fake wood. It looks really weird. I'm not a fan of it. So that's why I'm in my space suit here. We're about to go paint this trim. Also doing one for Maggie's car right now. I missed one cup holder in her car when we were doing her trim. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out and get that painted here as well. And kind of walk you guys through this right now of what it all looks like. So here's the very ugly interior factory from Dodge. I like to talk to the design guy. It's like a leopard wood wannabe print. I don't know, I guess it's kind of cool if you look at it, but it's weird. We're painting all that. And there's Maggie's actual real wood trim we're painting. Custom Dr. Quaid sauce over here in the CS cup, and then we got some over for here. Maggie's like a charcoal gray. Mine's gonna be a little different than that. And switch it up. I was gonna do her same color, same time, but I don't think she'd like it like that, and it's just not what it was. So we're doing the same color as all the other stuff, and then we're doing mine another custom color that'll help match with the truck pretty good, I feel like. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay. Headliner's out of the truck. Carpet's already been done black. We're gonna do the headliner in black now and finish all this up, and then just kind of, I don't like the cream color. I hate when manufacturers do that. Like the bottom of the interior is one color, and then the headliner and everything else is a lighter color. Maybe it's for the heat because the black will get hot, this, that, but it's not for me. I don't like it. I freaking don't like it at all. So we're changing it, going black. It's gonna look so much better. Okay, so the inside of the truck is completely tore apart. Parts laying everywhere. That is what it is right now. Headliner is done. There's trim over here that's done, just laying in various places. More trim over here that is done and painted and should be dry by now. Let's do a finger test. Yes, very good. So everything has been dyed black. We're ready to go ahead and put it back in the truck. I'm ready to get this thing done. I'm ready to start driving it. I haven't even driven it. I drove it from the guy's house to the shop, and what else did? That's it. Oh, we drove to Kyle's house, and that was it. Then it came here, and it's been just torn apart ever since. So ready to start driving this thing, see what it can do. I'm really ready to tow a bit and see how it tows compared to the Power Strokes and stuff. So really excited about that. Let's go and throw all this back in. Try to drive the thing tomorrow afternoon. It's like 10:30 on a Monday. Let's get it. Back carpet is dyed, back carpet is cleaned, vacuumed, all that good stuff. That's done. The other stuff is drying in the booth. Truck is majorly done. We're waiting on a grill. We're waiting on headlights. We're waiting on a little front piece for the top and for the bottom. I need to untape the fog lights. And then we just need to start cleaning everything and finish letting the paint cure. Then we're going to begin our wet sanding process and go ahead and get it ready for ceramic coating and all that good stuff. Wow, this pearl is insane. Look at that. Wow.